Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the drain pump on your GE washing machine. And if you encounter like water leak and sometimes it won't spin, so that's the most common problem on this washing machine, the water drain pump. So now I'll show you how to replace it. So I have a new drain pump. I bought this one from A1 appliance. So now guys, I already removed the old one. So this is the old one. So there are three 6mm screws that holds in it. So just like that guys. So there's three screws that holds on this pump, one, and there's a two at the back. And after that, after you just if you can pinch with your hand, or you can use a pliers to release this clamp. Then after that guys, there are three 10 bolts that holds on this fan cover. So you need to remove this one, so you can take this plug, so you can unplug this wire that connected to the pump. So now we can remove these three 10mm bolts. And there's another one at the back. So that's it. You can put it aside. So you just squeeze this guys, push it down, and that's it. And put it aside. Then we can install the new one. Just insert this one. The next is we're gonna screws the three screws there. So guys, we already installed the three screws. So next is we're gonna install back this drain hose, just like that. Then squeeze this lock. So that's it. The last one guys is we're gonna install the cover. That's it. Then there's another one here guys. Just put in here the clip. That's it. So that's all guys. That's the easy way to replace the drain pump motor on your GE washing machine. But before you start that job guys, you need to unplug your power supply. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.